Hey besties, it's Aruj. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super fun, super interesting, hopefully helping and inspiring because today we are going to have a self-care weekend. We are going to get ready for the new month. We are going to reset our lives. So let's go do it. I said that we are getting ready for a new month. We are resetting for the new month. And this video is all things self-care, skincare, hair care, mental health care, anything and everything self care that you can think of. Let's start off with setting up our environment, which means new bedding, new pillows, new towels, anything that is actually going to transform our environment for us. Next up, I'm going to iron my clothes, and I'll tell you why in a bit.
Got done with ironing my clothes, and honestly this is one of the things जो कि मुझे लगता है self care में मेरे लिए बहुत important है, especially on the weekends. I do it every weekend. Obviously monthly हम self care kind of thing ही कर रहे हैं, लेकिन because it's also a weekend, so I thought I'll tell you guys इसके बारे में भी कि इफ़ यू थिंक ड्यूरिंग द वीक आप सिर्फ भाग रहे होते हैं, सिर्फ कपड़े इस्त्री कर रहे होते हैं सुबह सुबह जल्दी, या मे बी यू जस्ट लुकिंग एट योर क्लोथ्स, अच्छा कौन से वाला ज़्यादा अच्छी हालत में, आई कैन वेयर दैट, मैं काम पे चला जाऊँ या मैं स्कूल चली जाऊँ या मैं वटेवर, ठीक है. तो आई रिकमेंड यू ड्यूरिंग द वीकेंड अपने कपड़े इस्त्री कर लिया करें. लिटरली दिस इज़ गोइंग टू सेव यू सो मच टाइम, एंड द नेक्स्ट डे या आगे 2-4 दिन बाद में भी when you're going to be running late, मतलब it's natural to be running late किसी दिन, and when it's that या maybe you want to sleep in, तो आपके दिमाग में ये नहीं होगा कि यार मुझे कपड़े भी इस्त्री करने हैं, and then that's when you'll think कि यार मैंने सारे कपड़े इस्त्री कर लिए, so you'll be thanking yourself. So like I said, even though this is a monthly reset, monthly self-care thingy kind of video, but still it's also a weekend, so I'll recommend you कपड़े इस्त्री कर लिया करें. एटलीस्ट जैसा आई एंजॉय आयरनिंग क्लोथ्स, सो आई आयरन माई इंटायर वीक्स क्लोथ्स ऑन द वीकेंड, लेकिन अगर आप पूरा हफ्ता नहीं करेंगे तो एटलीस्ट 2 या 3 तो कर लेना. इट्स गोना हेल्प यू, ट्रस्ट मी.
For some reason, I really enjoy changing my handbags every month. This way, I won't have to buy new bags, but still, every month I feel like I have a new bag. So, I'm giving you this idea as well. If you don't want to go ahead and buy new bags every time, I mean, who wants that, right? Unless you want that, that's on you. But if you really don't want to buy something new every month, simply change your handbags every month. Maybe you have a few bags on hand, maybe you have a few bags available, maybe you have a few phone covers available. So what you do is you're not going to go ahead and buy something new, you're going to just switch that. So I had another bag that I was using in the last month, and this, when the month was going to change, when the new month was coming, just for the monthly reset, I decided to switch my bags. So now I feel like I have a new bag, well, kind of. And then I also changed my mobile phone cover. So if you do that, you'll suddenly feel like your phone is changed or it's new.
This is the bag for this month. I got this as a gift from a colleague a few years back.
And that's not the only thing I do. I make sure that I change my wallpapers, like phone wallpapers, especially seasonal, because recently, now that we're moving towards the autumn to the fall seasons, I switched my phone covers, I switched my laptop covers, the backgrounds, the wallpapers to autumn like, to give the autumn like vibe, and that's what I'm going to suggest you as well. Coming to the skincare side of things, so if it's the mid of the month or if it's the end of the month, the new month is coming, I would really like to have a clean skin to start a new month with. Like we changed our bags, we moved to a new bag, now we're moving to a clean skin. So for that, I use these products.
So I'm going to start off with my face wash of choice. So I prefer using different face washes, subah dopahr shaam, etc, etc. तो वो करूँगी, followed by a toner, then this goat milk cleanser, then the skin polish. I don't know what this thing does, but क्योंकि है और ये ख़त्म नहीं हो रही तो I tend to use it. I like this one वैसे. Fair, the thing is, it's just like the products I use. It's not like you're supposed to use these products, but just I'm telling you किस order में लेके जाती हूँ. And then we have this 3-in-1 face wash mask kind of thingy. I use that because for some reason I feel like ये जो है ना, it works on acne skin कोई well. खैर बहुत पहले का लिया हुआ है, क्योंकि मैंने साथ बताया मैं इतना frequently हर face wash यूज़ नहीं करती ना, तो सब चलते रहते हैं. And then we have this one which is coffee scrub, पता नहीं, हाँ coffee scrub है. इसके साथ फिर आता है यार ये एक gel mask which is kind of quite old. इसको मैं ख़त्म करी हूँ वैसे apparently, और जब मैं ये लगाती हूँ तो मैं nose strip भी लगा लेती हूँ, and then followed by this sheet mask जो कि मैंने पूरा सेट लिया था, and this was among those. It says ginseng right here. I don't know what that is. इसको समझ आ रही है क्या चीज़ है?
It always feels good using serums or maybe skincare products after your skin is really clean, don't you think? So once we're done with the skincare routine, once we're done with the cleansing routine, now we will move to the applying of serums, maybe moisturizers, or maybe doing some wash on the skin. This is time for that.
Vitamin C and vitamin C stuff. ये मैं सुबह यूज़ करती हूँ, करना चाहिए, करती थी, काफ़ी अर्से से नहीं करती, रेगुलर नहीं हूँ, अब करूँगी. This is the shampoo, this is the sunscreen, this is the moisturizer, ये सुबह की चीज़ें, but right now ये दो यूज़ होंगी. So yeah.
Guys, another thing we need to discuss, and that is so important and usually forgotten, is our hair care products. Guys, we use the hair brushes, we use the ponies, we use our hair bands or whatever accessories we use, or even hijab caps if you're a hijabi. We use them so regularly and we usually end up forgetting about those. So this monthly reset, we are going to be cleaning those. Now let's talk about hair care. Well, technically I'm still lagging in this department, so I need your suggestions in this one. The only thing I do is probably oiling for my hair care. Other than that, I do use conditioner. I do use hair mask occasionally, the packet ones, the company ones. So if you have some good suggestions on how I can go about the whole hair care side of things, do drop your suggestions in the comments. I would be literally thankful if something works for me. Okay, I'm waiting for your comments. Skincare and hair care leads me to the oh so famous everything shower, which means a shower where do you everything, obviously, as the name suggests. So it's gonna be shampoo, it's gonna be conditioner, hair mask, cleaning, everything top down. Okay, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so yeah, let's move on. A few more acts of self-care can include eating or drinking what you really want. Let's say you want to have a cup of coffee, even hot coffee, itni sardi bhi garmi mein, go ahead, have that. Let's say you want to have a pizza, order yourself a pizza. Let's say you want to have a paratha, simply make yourself a paratha, get a paratha, have a paratha. Guys, for once in the month, forget about those calories. Just eat or drink whatever you want, whatever you like, because this month is going to end and it's a monthly reset, right? And it's a self-care monthly reset. So the month is going to change and you can get back to your goals, your routines of food and eating and drinking, back to it in the next month. But for now, just let yourself loosen up a little bit, enjoy. Another thing you can do is maybe watch interesting or entertaining or maybe binge watching comfort content on YouTube, maybe Netflix. Maybe you can watch some dramas, guilty pleasure dramas. Just simply do something that you really enjoy. Let's say you want to binge watch some YouTube videos. Maybe binge watch my YouTube videos. Just saying. You could just set up mood lighting. You could dim the lights, have some fairy lights on, maybe burn a scented candle in your room, maybe do a bit of room decor and then have lighting to set the mood, and then you could sit, watch videos like I just mentioned, or you could simply do some journaling. You can evaluate how your previous month went. You can plan how you're going to have the next month. How do you want your next month to be? Maybe some goals that you weren't able to achieve this month, you can set a criteria what you're going to do the next month. Like in my case, I would like sit down and evaluate all my social media content as well. Okay, what I did, what I was supposed to do, and how I'm going to improve or maybe do better in the next month. Similarly, speaking of, this was like my social media content side of things, right? So talking about things how the professionally, what I was supposed to do, how I went about it, and was that the right track or should I improve a little bit? Similarly, mere jo personal goals hain, like let's say skincare. I told you guys I was a little bit not very much, you could say, consistent with my skincare in the past month. So I knew in this evaluation, I was like, okay, I evaluated myself and I was like, okay, I didn't focus on the skincare this month, and this is how the situation turned out. So next month I'm going to focus that. So technically journaling can help you a lot. It can, even if you don't want to do any planning, if you don't want to do any evaluation, although I would say it helps a lot, but still if you don't want to do it, okay, that's on you. It's a reset routine, right? Simply open a diary and write anything, brain dump kar दें. Let's say you want to scripting कर लें आप. Think about, when we were kids, we used to imagine acha ye hota hai, we used to make up stories. Do that on a diary, guys. It's going to help you so much and you're going to enjoy it. Maybe you don't know what to journal about. Simply, if you're a reader like me, I enjoy reading books, right? If you're a reader, you could just simply make a book journal and maybe just write down the books you read in that month, or maybe the books you want to read. Maybe you were going through some videos, maybe TikToks or Instagrams, and you saw a few people recommending books and you want to read those books, or you did read a few books and you want to have write down your review. Anything, guys, just sit down, open the journal, do that, have the mood lighting on, have the fairy lights on, have the scented candle on, maybe have a cup of coffee or tea or garam doodh or whatever you'd like to drink, or maybe some cold drink. I don't know. Mood lighting साथ जैसे cold drink सूट नहीं करती, but still if you want to have, तो आपकी मर्जी. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching, guys. These were a few things which I like to do and I shared them with you. अब आपका काम है. You're going to write down in the comments the kind of self-care activities that you generally do or maybe you enjoy doing. So put them down in the comments. This way, not only I will know about it, not only you will know about it, everybody's going to know. And maybe आपकी कोई आप ऐसे suggestion लिखें, somebody might end up liking that, and maybe we're going to try. So it's like a self-care and not being selfish as well. We're sharing everything that we know. Okay? So guys, how could I forget? You could go on walks. Walks are literally such amazing things. So you could go on walks, and this tells me that the possibilities are endless. So आप ये list follow करना चाह रहे हैं, go ahead with that. You have your own list, very well done. Plus make sure अपनी list में से भी कुछ pointers in the comments लिखें so everybody can know क्या scene है. And that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. My handle is Onaru, just like here on YouTube. Oh, before ending, just wanted to know, guys, September aa gaya, tax return filing ka time aa gaya, and if you don't know, I am officially filing tax returns this time. So, in case you're interested, I'll leave the link to my tax handle as well. So reach out there or be a responsible citizen. अच्छे बच्चों की तरह टैक्स रिटर्न फाइल कर लें. Guys, my phone storage ended. I couldn't even record the outros. I was saying before the camera cut off, अफसोस के साथ, that I am, as you know, I file tax returns every year. So it's the time to file tax returns. तो responsible citizens की तरह, अच्छे बच्चों की तरह अपनी tax returns file करा लें. And I'll be leaving the link to my Instagram handle and the email in the description so you can contact and get your tax returns filed. And that's pretty much all for the video. Hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, be grateful, be kind, be amazing. Bye. और दुआ करें मेरा फ़ोन की स्पेस बन जाए. Guys, this is not gonna work if it ends like this.